We the best.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I'm back with
Another one.
yes, sir. The DJ Khaled, We the Best, Jordan 5, keep going. A lot of names for this, man. We've been waiting on a DJ Khaled sneaker release to the general public since 2017. Y'all remember all those Jordan 3s, the blue ones, the red ones. They're available, but they pricey. But these here with the Miami vibe, I like these. Hit the B-roll.
Another one.
Yes, sir. So last week, these shop dropped just like these here. I got them both. I don't know how I feel about Jordan 11s though. But red and white joints, I couldn't pass up. Thumbs up if you like shock drops over anything else. I kind of like shock drops depending on where I'm at, because I be busy and sometimes I can't get to the phone, but I like shock drops. But these shock dropped last week. The official release date of these Jordan Khaled 5s is Cyber Monday. So Black Friday's next week. It should be the Monday after that, guys. I honestly think a lot of people going to be able to get their hands on this because it's a whole pack. Whenever you see a sneaker coming out with every color right away, you're bound to get one of them, man. But these Crimson Bliss joints are fire. They scream Miami. That's what Khaled's from. You see the pastel colors remind me of them Jordan 1 Art Basel joints I could never get my hands on. But I like Khaled. I like his vibe. I like that he got his sneaker. I don't like that we've been talking too much. Let's unbox these things. Hit the music.
Unboxing time. We the best.
Yes, sir. So it comes in that plastic acrylic sleeve. I think it was the Travis Scott fragment joint where I said why most sneakers that cost 200 plus can't come in this acrylic sleeve. It really saves the box. Even though I don't use boxes, this is a dope touch, man. So let's pull the acrylic part off first. So on the acrylic part, we got Keep Going, We the Best. You got that pastel pink and that blue, the same color in the sneakers. You got a pink Jordan brand logo and an aqua Jordan brand logo with some pinkish purple classic Jordan logo on the side. Far as the box itself, same thing. That purple pastel look, We the Best mixed in with like a yellow, orange. A Miami sunset, if you ever seen it. That's how Miami sunset looks. The We the Best joint there with the colors. You still got your OG elephant print or paint sparkles, whatever you want to say, on the bottom of the box. The Jordan brand man even has that Miami sunset on a black box. When you flip it open, more of that sunset pink, purple on the box. This was shocking to me. Regular or OG tissue paper. It doesn't say We the Best on it. But I guess he put his stamp all over the box anyway. Tissue paper didn't matter. But we're going to start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. And I decided to start with the right shoe because the right shoe has 1, 2, 3 different shoelaces. I know that I read somewhere that Nike's getting rid of the shoelace bag because it's bad for the earth. But this is like my 3rd one in a row with a shoelace bag. But hey, you got your nice blue here. Same blue in the sneaker. Black. Who doesn't love a black shoelace? And sail white. Now, if I told y'all earlier, the sail white is the next coming drop for the Khaled 5. So maybe this is what these identical to, the pack. Maybe. But let's get into the shoe. So on the outside of the shoe, you got your regular Jordan 5. And these remind me of, I don't want to butcher the name, but I know a while ago Jordan 5 came out with a sneaker like called Floridians or something with Florida. And this the vibe I get from the DJ Khaled joint. So that's all pink pastel or crimson bliss, if you may. But the leather quality, guys, I'm not BSing. This feels like a soft couch. The leather here is A1, guys. It's worth the 200 plus price tag if you're a quality person. This material is soft. Look at it. You can see the tumbleness as I touch it. Soft material, guys. It feels like the richest leather coat. Come around. You got your blue fire, blue flame with your pink sparkles in it. Again, that's Florida to the T, man. Around here, mixed in with some black to kind of like color block the pink from the white and the blue. I like it. Your OG Jordan 5 window. The back on the right sneaker says Nike Air. And I love when they say Nike Air on the booty. This is the right side though. We'll get into the left side a little later. But the right side says Nike Air on the back in that nice blue. Come around. Same Jordan 5 window. Shoelaces that it comes laced in is in that same crimson. I like it, but I think if you want it to pop, you should do the blue, depending on what you got to match it. But I think the blue is a better look than the same on color shoelace. Classic Jordan 5. Well, we used to call them ice. I don't know what you guys call them. Let me know in the comment section below. But we used to call this the ice button on the Jordan 5s. Super dope. I like that the push tab is not red like it usually is on a Jordan. It's in that peach crimson color. Super dope. But it is transparent. You can see through it. And it has that icy Jordan blue mini Jordan logo on it. Tongue, OG silver metallic, just like we like a Jordan 5. But the inside is where you get your Armand Menier, your luxury diamond look. Like if you ever sat in a luxury car, the seats usually look like this. Diamond cut, luxury. Inside there is that nice blue. I know y'all can see the words on the tongue. It says keep. So I'm assuming that the left side is going to say going. But you can see it says keep there. And the inside is in that nice blue. The bottom is a mix of OG. As you can see, it looks a little yellow, but it does look clear. So a mix of an OG, nostalgic Nike logo there with some futuristic stuff. So you see the peach or the crimson creep on the bottom. That is dope. Just like a sunrise. And it reads, "We the best." It looks like it may glow, guys. In another video, I hit it with the black light, but I don't want to make this one too long. This is the right side. The left shoe here, all the bells and whistles that I showed y'all. Let's start with the inside because I'm curious to see if it says going. And it says going. So the right side says keep. The left one says going. Anything else changed in the inside? Everything is the same. But the back changes. So instead of the Nike Air logo here or big Jordan Jumpman, it says "We the best."
We the
These
best.
sneakers are dope, man. But I just got to get into more of the quality, man. That's what y'all watch me for. I want y'all to see the quality. Look at the top ankle tab. Look at the tumbledness in this leather. I could just hear Khaled in the meeting now. Yo, the leather gotta be quality. Look at that, man. The sneaker's worth 200 plus. It definitely is, man. But I just know that the sale ones, if the sale color's in this colorway, it's gonna go out the park in resale. Yes, sir. So this is a review on the We the Best, Keep Going, Jordan 5, DJ Khaled. These sneakers are fire, guys. When they first shot dropped, resale was at like $325, $350. I looked just before I did the video, it's at like $275. Guys, it's worth $275. Retail's $225. This sneaker's worth $275, guys. I mean, I know a lot of y'all may be waiting on the other colorways. I ain't mad at you. But if all the colorways are in this luxury leather quality, I want them all. You know we love presentation over here at Sneaker Notes. He checked the box with that. He checked the box with the quality. I like this sneaker, guys. And it's something about an OG. It's something about the first one that come out. When the first one come out, that's the one that usually has, you know, more of that value. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Get me up to 15 likes. I do a hottest style on these. It's going to be hard, but we're going to get some pieces to put this together. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.